One tool can open 10 profiles at once. Each profile looks at the internet as a different person, different IP, different device, and even different location. This tool is Incogniton. Incogniton is anti-detect browser. It lets you open multiple browser profiles at once, and you can attach different proxy to each one. That way, websites can see every profile as completely separate device or user. This tool is used by a lot of different people. E-commerce sellers running more than one store, people running Facebook ad campaigns, affiliate marketers, social media managers handling multiple accounts, agencies managing several client accounts. As developer, you can use it for testing and automation. When we can use it? When we need multiple users' environments at once. So how it works? Let's dive in. This tool caught my attention because of the version 5, faster and cleaner than before. And it helps you to stay organized and scale your workflow once you are juggling multiple accounts or projects at once. And you are about to see it live. And the best thing for that is the plans. We can use 10 profiles for a free plan, which is more than enough to test it without paying anything. And the interface is so easy to use. Easily we can create profile, proxy shop, manage your team, settings, change the language, theme, and everything is very easy to use. So how we can install it to see this dashboard? Just search for Incogniton Anti-Detect Browser. Click on it. And here you can see download, pricing, features, everything. Click on Download Incogniton. You can download it as desktop application. I will download it as a Windows. After that, you can create an account for free. Then log in. And here is our dashboard. First, let's create new profile. Click on Create Profile. Here we have details. Profile name, you can give it any name. For example, if you have e-commerce website, you can name it as it. For example, I'm going to choose Store 1. And here you can choose the browser version. Here we have a lot of versions. You can pick any of them. You can select here Use a free Incogniton proxy. Or you can navigate here to Proxy. Here we have 4 options. The first one, Proxy Library. If we click on it, you can select from Proxy Library, but for now we don't have anyone. If you click on Proxy Library here, you can add a proxy. You can add proxy here by your own, create the IP and port. Connection type might be HTTPS or SOCKS 5. The second option, buy proxy. Click on it, you can buy proxy from Incogniton shop or by navigating to proxy shop. Choose the plan you want, and for every plan, we have bunch of options. Click on any of them, continue, select locations, continue. For optional, you can enter your IP address, then continue, and easily you can add your credit or debit card or crypto. And you might ask me, why do we need proxy? Because proxy changes the IP location that websites see. So each profile will appear from different place. And the third option is custom proxy. You can also select your connection type and put your IP and port. In my case, let's select free proxy. Select the country you want. By the way, free proxies are fine for regular browsing, but not recommended for account management. So make sure to select the country you want. I'm going to choose United States, then create. That's it. Here is our new profile. Let's try to create another profile. Store 2. Choose the proxy you want. I'm going to choose for free. If you select Hong Kong, for example, click on Create. Now if you try to open this proxy from Hong Kong, start, we might get this error. No unblocked proxy available. That's why I mentioned before. Sometimes free built-in proxies are not recommended for account management. In this case, you can click on Edit, choose another country, for example, Australia. Click on Save. Now if you try to open it again, start, and you can see the browser is open with this name Store 2. Let's try to open the other one, Store 1. Start. So now we have 2 profiles. And here is the other one. I can see them and control them easily. Let's test them. For example, I will open this website in post browsers. And here is the result. Different IP addresses. One for United States, the other for Australia. So everything now is working. So each profile now has different fingerprints and different IP location and different device also. And by the way, something I want to mention, here inside Browser Assets, click on it, you can add extension. Extension must come from Chrome Web Store.google. Let's test it. Go to Chrome Web Store, click on it, search for any extension, for example, Ad Blocker. You can copy this URL and paste it inside Incogniton, and the extension name will be filled by default. Click on Add. Now go again to your profiles, activate this extension, click on Edit, Extensions, now select this one, and the extension now updated. So if you are managing multiple accounts, online store, ad campaigns, or even technical use cases like testing or automation, Incogniton makes everything organized. And since there is free plan with 10 profiles, nothing stopping you from try it. The link is in the description and also pinned inside the comments. And I'll give you 20% discount if you click on the link. So try it, let me know what you think about it.